everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I'm really excited to bring you this brand new collection from hot off the press called Abundant Florals. And this is a card that my friend Debbie made. This is using, also from hot off the press, a label gatefold die cut card. Look how beautiful. Look at all the layers, the mixed media, the colors. It's gorgeous. Let me show you real quick what you're going to get in all of this collection. We've got the paper pack, which I'll show you a little bit more of. You've got 3 different beautiful colors of flowers from 49 and Market. And literally hot off the press, this just came in about an hour ago, the Swirls chipboard. It's laser cut chipboard, also from hot off the press. So I have lots to show you. We're going to have some great techniques, so come play with us. So let me show you the Abundant Florals paper pack. I have just one set of 6, so you actually are going to get 2 of each one of these. So as you can see, it's got these wonderful sort of beautiful lavenders, purples, gray, ivory, green, rich colors. You can see the pattern on the back of this one's like a tapestry, and then it's even got a diamond pattern laid over that. Beautiful. Here's another diamond pattern with a beautiful floral border, and then a light green on the back. Here's another floral border. You could use at the top, the bottom, the sides. Remember, getting 2 each of these, so if you're a scrapbooker, you have got great double page spreads, or if you're a card maker, you've got 2 of everything you love. I love this. I love the music. I have to say that was my request for Christina, our designer. I'm like, add some music notes in, please. And she was great and did that. Beautiful dark burgundy. And this is another thing I love that Christina did. She added all of these words and little motifs that you can cut out, so you can use these as your greetings or as your page embellishments, or you can just use it as a whole like this, which I thought was really great. And then this one's a little bit more of a blue. And then another beautiful tapestry with this wonderful border. And then tapestry with these great little corner embellishments. Okay, let's take a look at these projects. Here's a card that Debbie did, and then what she did was this, with Biz Brothers, here she cut out one of those little greetings and added that here, thank you for being my friend, and then she took some of the floral borders and she cut around those, did a little fussy cutting, and then foam taped that on the card, and she did some tearing as well, so there's a lot of layering going on here, which I just really love. And then, let's see, I've got a page here to show you as well. All right, so for this scrapbook page, Debbie did this one as well, and this is her daughter and her son-in-law, which is such a beautiful couple. And here, we've got some flowers here from 49 and Market. Let me show you these. This is the violet, just gorgeous. And she did a little collaging technique here where she clustered those. And what's great about the collage technique is you can just take these different elements. I like to do them around corners, like Debbie did here. She also added this stormy color, which is kind of a gray color, and it just is gorgeous. It goes with so many things. It's versatile when you pair it up with the cloud, which is this nice fluffy cream color. Really pretty. And then she's got some chipboard elements going on here. Here is my chipboard. Right here, and as you can see, Debbie put her thankful greeting here from the chipboard, as well as the frame. And there's another element here under this little page embellishment that she made, and the swirls as well. And then, of course, little clusters of sparklets. This is the jellyfish sparklet, which just goes so well with the Abundant Florals collection. I would encourage you to pick this up. This is just a really great page using all of these different techniques. Let me show you one of the things Debbie showed me that she did. Here's one of the little chipboard pieces right here. Debbie used the Spectrum Noir metallic twin tip metallic markers. That's a mouthful. And what she did was she just used these directly on the surface of the chipboard. Get these out. Get out my craft mat, because we're going to get some messy things going on here. All right, and it's got 2 tips on it, so we're going to use the brush tip. And then she just went over this very quickly to color that chipboard It's laser cut, so it's very fine detailed. Go this way and this way. As you can see, it's got a little bit of a metallic showing on that right now, but when it dries, it's even more metallic, and it's just gorgeous. Okay, so there's a real quick way to do that. Clean that up, and we're going to do another technique here. Let's take another peek at this labeled gatefold die cut card that Debbie also did. Here, she used the storm flowers, and then she took this is the clear overlay glitter brush from Crafter's Companion, and she just brushed a little bit of that directly over the flower. And if you can kind of zoom in for me, there we go, thanks Houston, you can see it's got a lot of glitz and glitter on that, and then little clusters of sparklets with stars. So sweet. There we go. And here on these little swirls, let me grab these, she used some Glitter Kiss. This is Garnet Glitter Kiss. And if you recall, Glitter Kiss is just wonderful. It's a dream to work with. And it even comes with its own little sponge. Oh, I've got lotion on my hands. There we go. It even comes with its own little sponge that you just rinse out afterward. All right. Let's go to this card. This is one that I'm going to show you how to put together, and it's using the 3D frames, also from hot off the press. And if you've never put one of these together, it's so simple to do. I'll show you what I did here. All right, so you start off with, there we go. You start off with the die cut card, and it's got, I covered the front of it with this beautiful ivory paper with a tapestry on it. And then on the inside, once that's covered, it's already die cut, but you do need to, since I covered that, I do need to go ahead and take either some small scissors or your X-Acto knife and go ahead and cut that from the inside. So it's going to release these little tabs. So then you're going to, fold again, because they're already pre-scored, which makes this so easy. You're just going to go around and fold these little tabs from the inside, like this. And I love this particular card. I've used it several times for webisodes, just because it's pretty spectacular with this frame. It just sort of sets everything up so nicely. All right, so we got to make sure everything is good to go like this. And then I like to just give it another fold in this direction so that everything, when it opens and closes, everything works accordingly. Okay, whoops. Go. All right. Seems kind of strange to fold it in both directions, but trust me, it helps. All right, so there we go. So you've got your inner tabs all going in a direction. All right, now I'm going to need my mat again. All right, so now I've already covered, it already comes with all the little square pieces that you're going to need, because now we've got this part folded. We need to place a piece of color square behind that. So here we've got this one. It's a nice lavender color. Oops, my glue's kind of stopped up. And we're going to go ahead and put some glue on the back of this. This is just Cosmic Shimmer Specialist Acrylic Glue, my favorite glue. Get that on all the points here. All right, there we go. And you're just going to slide that right inside here. Oops, I'm sideways. Nope, I had it right the first time. Go. I'm just going to push that in and then turn it over and get all of the little guys squared up. There we go. Yeah. My glue is very slippery today. There we go. All right, so now that you've got that going on, it's all squared up. it'll be squared up for you much better, I promise. Okay, so on the inside, you don't want this mess showing on the inside of your card. I've already covered the inside here. You don't want that showing. So here on the inside, I have covered that with another square with some really pretty paper. And I'm just going to add a little bit more glue. Right, and then we're just going to glue that right over the top to cover up all those odds and ends. And then I like to turn it over this way, and now make sure everything is all squared up. There we go. There. Okay, and then for the inside, I've got my little thankful and my frame, and I just used some purple. This is just a purple cat eyes hue ink pad set. As you can see, it's got lots of different shades of purple. Pull this down here. And I just used sort of a light color. I started off with the light, more lavender. This one is hyacinth, actually. And I got sort of onto the surface and then did a darker color along the edge. So if you can see here, just did the half of it because I wanted that ivory to really pop off this lavender background. And then I did the same here on the thankful piece. And then also on the swirls, and then added the flowers here. This is the violet and the cloud color. And then added some sparkles using the jellyfish sparklets. And it all came together really quickly and beautifully. I think that this would be wonderful for anybody to receive. So definitely check out the money saver that we have going on the Abundant Florals collection. You won't regret it. It is absolutely gorgeous. So if you're watching us on YouTube, make sure you check out the money saver in the description below, and also check out the links to paperwishes.com. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next week.